Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts with a BMW. First, always prioritize safety by finding a vast, open space, like an abandoned parking lot, free from any people or objects. Your BMW should be in top shape, with good tires and brakes. Familiarize yourself with your car's electronic aids, like traction control, as they will play a crucial role in this maneuver. Safety is paramount before attempting any advanced driving technique. Before you begin, properly prepare your BMW. It is essential to fully disable your car's traction control and stability control systems. These electronic aids will prevent the wheels from spinning freely, which is necessary for a donut. Choose a low gear, like first or second, to give you immediate power. Also, check your fuel level and tire pressure to ensure optimal performance and safety during the exercise. Now for the technique itself. Begin by turning the steering wheel sharply in one direction, for example, full lock to the left. Simultaneously, apply a quick burst of throttle to overcome tire grip and initiate wheel spin. As the rear end starts to slide, you'll need to counter-steer by turning the wheel in the opposite direction. Continuously adjust the throttle and steering to maintain a smooth, controlled circular path, keeping your gaze fixed on your intended direction. Mastering donuts takes practice and finesse. Start with smaller, slower circles to get a feel for the car's balance and your inputs. Gradually increase the size and speed as your confidence grows. Focus on smooth, precise throttle modulation and quick steering adjustments. Remember, the goal is controlled chaos. Always be ready to release the throttle and straighten the wheel if you feel you are losing control, ensuring a safe stop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.